Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to our discussion of predicting the products of decomposition reactions. Now, there are many types of decomposition reactions, but we are going to work on a specific kind called binary. Now, if you recall from our naming system, binary means two elements. So we are only going to worry about predicting the products of compounds that have only two elements in them. Other types of compounds with three or more elements have more complex patterns that, if you really would like to, you could learn about at a later date. Really, these are pretty straightforward because all we're going to do is break them down into the individual elements that make them up. The big thing here is just making sure that you're aware of your Hofbrinkel elements. So as long as you break it up and then balance the equation, you'll be good to go. So here, in our first example, we see that sodium chloride gets decomposed. Sodium is a metal, so its formula would just simply be Na. But chlorine is one of our Hofbrinkel elements, one of our diatomic elements. So when I write the formula for this, I have to write Cl2. So when I go back and balance the equation, I'll have to use a coefficient of 2 on my reactant and then a coefficient of 2 on the sodium. For water, this one's interesting because both elements are Hofbrinkel. So two diatomic elements, I'm going to have to double the water to make the oxygen match, which then requires me to double my H2 molecules. So decomposition, a little bit more straightforward. You're simply separating the compound into its separate elements, but don't forget to make sure you write the correct formula for your Hofbrinkel elements and finish by balancing.